Well, here's my big screen TV repair. All my screws and stuff here, my base there, speakers, big screen TV sitting on my ottoman, all flipped over with the back off. The replacement part that I bought at Best Buy parts, and there's the part I need to replace, which is a power unit. Pretty simple. Just unscrew everything off the back and plug that $40 baby in, and hopefully it'll work and fix it. I'll let you know. Take a picture of it when I'm done. Take a picture of it with a picture. $300 repair job from a service department. Hopefully turns into a $40 half an hour job at home. Sweet. We'll see, hopefully. Cross my fingers.